Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel in 2023 and how to start your journey as a YouTuber. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great way to showcase your talents, share your thoughts and ideas, and even make some money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you first need to sign up for a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can skip this step. If not, go to the Google sign up page and create a new account. You will need to provide your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Create your YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, you can create your YouTube channel. To do this, go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, and then click on Create a Channel. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal channel or a brand channel. If you are creating a channel for yourself, choose Create a Channel for Myself. If you are creating a channel for a brand, choose Use a Business or Other Name. Fill out the required information, such as your channel name and description. Step 3. Add channel art and profile picture. Now that you have created your YouTube channel, it's time to add some visual elements to it. Click on the Customize Channel button to add channel art and a profile picture. Your channel art is the banner image that appears at the top of your channel page. Your profile picture is the small image that appears next to your channel name. Make sure that your channel art and profile picture are visually appealing and represent your brand or personality. Step 4. Create your first video. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to create your first video. This can be a daunting task, but it's important to remember that the first video is always the hardest. Start by brainstorming some ideas for your video, and then write a script or outline. Make sure that your video is well lit and the audio is clear. When you are ready to upload your video, click on the Create button and then Upload Video. Choose your video file and add a title, description, and tags. You can also add a thumbnail, which is the image that appears as the cover of your video. Step 5. Promote your channel. Now that you have created your first video, it's time to promote your channel. Share your video on social media, email it to your friends and family, and ask them to share it with their networks. You can also use paid advertising to reach a larger audience. Make sure to engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. This will help you build a loyal following and improve the quality of your videos. Conclusion. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel in 2023 and start your journey as a YouTuber. Remember to be patient and persistent, as it takes time to build a successful channel. Good luck and happy YouTubing.